This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anna Maria, Arnie, Alexander. Lease Opportunity Completely updated second floor unit in sought-after Gables Waterway Towers. Split floor plan unit, offering 2 spacious ensuite bedrooms, extra large storage closet, unit painted in white, wood floors throughout, white wood eaten kitchen with double ovens, wood blinds, all built-in closet/turnkey unit. Amenities include newly renovated gym and social areas, heated pool, 24-hour concierge, security patrol, laundry facility in each floor. Close to nearby parks and downtown Coconut Grove, South Miami, and Miami International Airport. AC, basic cable, water and pest control included in rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Anna Maria, Arnie, Alexander.